Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, I do both food and travel related videos, so if you're interested in that, make sure and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on your post notification bells so that you'll be reminded every single time I post a video. Let's get into this one. So I'll be showing you how I make my super delicious Caribbean style seafood boil sauce. Yes, I said it. For those who don't know what the seafood boil is, it's basically like all the seafood: shrimp, lobster, crab. You can put eggs in there, you can put potatoes and corn in there as well as mussels and scallions, seafood, even fish. And what they do is just get this sauce that you would put, and you could mix everything together, and it will have such a unique, I don't know how to explain the taste, but it does taste real best. Well, I made a Caribbean version to it. I had this sauce already in Canada. I will insert the clip now. Yeah. So yeah, I had that sauce, and it was delicious. It was one of the best seafood I ever tasted because of this sauce. So it's been 2 years that I've been trying to perfect the taste of the sauce, and I switched it up a little bit. I put some Caribbean elements in there that you would see in the video, and it tastes bomb. Oh my goodness. So yeah, let me just get into the video and show you guys how it is I made this delicious seafood boil sauce Caribbean style. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients you would need to make this seafood boil sauce. And first is the Old Bay seasoning. Now it is very hard to find Old Bay seasoning in Trinidad, so what you can do, it's a celery based seasoning. So you buy the celery sauce as well as fresh celery, and what you would do is add it with complete seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. I've tried this recipe with the complete seasoning as well as with Old Bay, and it tasted exactly the same. You just have to put a little extra celery in it, and that's basically it. Yeah, and you would need sugar, some Angostura bitters, because you all know it's in Caribbean if you don't hire bitters, white pepper, black pepper. You would need some lime. You all know I don't have no fresh lime, so I got this in the grocery. It's just lime juice. You would need Maggi seasoning up. You can either use chicken or crab. You would need some butter, Cajun seasoning, ground chili. You would need paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, ground ginger. If you have the fresh one, even better. You would also need some chipotle. If you don't have the chipotle seasoning, you can use chili flakes. And for the fresh ingredients, we had a little shada benny and pimentos for sure, along with some basils. I have some parsley, and I have 1 celery. Remember, if it is you don't have the Old Bay seasoning, you'll need a little more celery than this. Some pimentos as well as 2 ferric garlic, and that's it. Let's get started with this seafood boil sauce. depending on the brand that you're using for the powders, you may need about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. My mixture didn't need any. After your butter has been completely melted, go ahead and add your pimentos and your garlic to this mixture and let that fry for about a minute. After 1 minute, add your powdered ingredients to the butter mixture. Make sure and keep the mixture moving in the pot because you don't want anything to burn. It's been about 3 minutes since this mixture has been frying. Now I'm going to make the liquids to pour into this mixture to get the nice sauce. Earlier, I lost the footage with me adding the liquid mixture into the pot, y'all. Sorry for that. I don't know where it's gone. I don't know where it went. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the end results. This is my Caribbean style seafood boil sauce. The consistency is nice and thick. Oh my goodness, y'all should taste this sauce. Oh my goodness. But yeah, this is it, y'all. Let me just test out. Let me just show you all the consistency. So that is the consistency there. Now it's, let me just move this aside because it's kind of in the way. You know what I'm saying? Right, so let me just gobble down on this sauce now. Y'all, if this is not the best seafood boil sauce I'll ever taste, something wrong. And y'all, this is just a regular corn. Not Canadian sweet corn, just a regular corn. Oh my gosh. The good thing about making seafood sauce home, or seafood boil home, is that you can get to put what you want inside. If you want no lobster, because I don't fancy lobster. I don't know, I just don't fancy it. You could put more potato in it, more corn, shrimps. Buy them jumbo shrimps. And you all, with the remainder of the sauce, I usually just keep it in a glass jar. And every time I'm making ramen noodles, I will just put some inside, and y'all, it will give this ramen noodles such a great flavor. You don't even need to use like the pack that they gave you. Just put this inside with some fresh seasoning, and y'all, you're good to go with the ramen noodles. So try it with the ramen noodles as well, so you wouldn't have to waste nothing now. You know, it's real juicy. I love corn. I could eat corn with everything. Corn and eggs, boiled egg. You see this and boiled egg. This is real good. Real good. Oh my gosh. Olha. This is sauce. This here, this is sauce. Let me know in the comment section if you tried it, if you want to try it, if you bought any of these seafood sauce in Trinidad already, and how it tasted compared to how this is, because when I tell you all, this is the bomb diggity sauce here, it is. So yeah, that's the end of my video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this little mukbang / recipe video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.